I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to split first and last names into separate columns in Google Sheets. To demonstrate this, we will look at the writer column in our list of the top 200 individual comic issues to see how quickly you can separate these names. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and locate the column containing the full names you want to separate. In our dataset, this is the writer column. Step 2. Before you begin, insert one or two empty columns to the right of your name column to ensure your split data has room to expand without overwriting your existing information like the artist or publisher columns. In this example, I'll add two columns after writer by highlighting columns B and C, right-clicking one of the highlighted columns, and then clicking Insert Two Columns Right. Step 3. Highlight the specific cells containing the full names by clicking and dragging down the column. Step 4. Move your mouse to the top menu bar and click on Data. Step 5. Select Split Text to Columns from the drop-down menu. A small separator options box will immediately appear floating near your highlighted data. Step 6. Click the Separator drop-down menu, which defaults to Detect automatically, and select Space from the list. Google Sheets will instantly divide the names at every blank space, placing the first names in the original column, the middle initials in the second column, and the last names in the third column. While the built-in menu tool is excellent for a quick fix, you can also achieve this dynamically using the split formula. If you prefer to keep your original name column completely untouched and want a formula that automatically handles new names as they are added, you can click into an empty cell and type something like what you see on the screen. This tells Google Sheets to look at the name in cell C2 and break it apart wherever it finds a space. You can then copy this formula down your sheet and it will automatically generate the split results for every writer in your list without altering any of your raw data. It is important to keep in mind how Google Sheets handles middle initials or names that have more than two parts, such as Brian K. Vaughan or Brian Michael Bendis. Because both the menu tool and the formula look for every single space, a three-part name will split across three columns instead of two. This is why making sure you have plenty of empty columns prepared to the right of your data is so critical. If a name splits further than expected, you can use the text joining functions later to merge a middle initial back with a first name, keeping your final layout clean and organized. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.